Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing 3 copper ingots and opening a crafting table. Place the copper ingots vertically in the crafting grid to craft the lightning rod. This is the direct how. You do this because copper conducts strikes and the rod redirects lightning to its block, protecting nearby builds. Once made, carry it to a high point, roof, tower, or exposed pillar. Make sure to set the rod at the highest available block so it becomes the natural strike target. Now you place the lightning rod strategically. Put it on the exact topmost block so the game registers it as the tallest attractor. Do this because Minecraft favors the highest exposed point when generating strikes, and your rod will absorb those strikes instead of random flammable blocks. Once positioned, check for nearby taller blocks and remove or relocate them. Otherwise, strikes may still hit those. Make sure to test during a thunderstorm or force thunder via commands to confirm attraction. Finish by reinforcing the base with non-flammable blocks like stone, so any redirected strike won't ignite nearby wood. This is the why behind the final placement. Once done, observe during a storm. If strikes still hit other spots, raise the rod 1 block higher or clear nearby taller structures, because the game targets the absolute highest point. Make sure to test with the /weather thunder command or wait for thunder. If problems persist, relocate the rod to an isolated tower for guaranteed attraction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.